Forgot your Itel password or need a fresh start? A factory reset can boost speed and clear storage. Here are 5 easy ways to reset your Itel phone. Part 1. How do I factory reset my Itel manually? From Settings, go to Settings, System, More, Settings, Reset Options. Tap Erase All Data, Factory Reset. Confirm and enter PIN if needed. The phone will reset and reboot. Part 2. How do I factory reset my Itel phone with buttons via recovery mode? Turn off phone. Hold vol down plus power a T logo, release power a T Android. Release vol down. Press vol up plus power. Choose factory reset yes. Select reboot. Part 3. How do I wipe my Itel phone via Google? Find my device. Visit google.com/android/find and sign in. Select your Itel phone, click Erase Device. Confirm to start factory reset. If offline, reset begins once connected. Part 4. How to factory reset locked Itel phone by Itel Support. Go to itel-mobile.com/support. Select your region. Contact support via phone, email, or chat. Provide device model, IMEI, proof of purchase, and Google account if needed. Follow their steps to unlock or reset. Part 5. How to factory reset Itel phone from PC professionally. To safely factory reset your Itel phone and permanently erase all data, use trusted software like Mobikin Eraser for Android. This product ensures complete data removal, protects your privacy, and works with most Android devices. Step 1. Download and install the Eraser software on your computer. This tool will allow you to perform a hard reset by permanently wiping all data from your Itel phone. Connect your phone to the computer using a USB cable and enable USB debugging if prompted. Step 2. Open the software and follow the on-screen instructions. To detect your connected device, once recognized, click the Erase option from the main menu. Step 3. Select a preferred security level and confirm your choice by typing Delete. Then, click Erase again to proceed. Step 4. The software will begin scanning and erasing based on your selected security level. To wipe system data and settings, perform a manual factory reset on your Itel phone. When prompted, click Continue to confirm, and the tool will permanently erase all content from the device.